All right, I've started organizing my garage, my gear garage. This is a shelf that was left in behind in the garage here by the previous owner. I cleaned it all up, really scrubbed it down, and that's the natural color. I didn't paint it or anything. So I store some candles here, a bunch of water bottles up there, stove, and all my stoves are over there. You'll see these are my candle lanterns with the neoprene case. A couple of maps. Don't get nothing down there yet. A couple of pulleys and carabiners and stuff up here. That's a tank that I was rebuilding 2 years ago and haven't gotten back to yet. My air pad filler thing. Oh, there's another. Actually, I've got two backpack covers hanging here. And this is the new hanging system that I just come up with, is a piece of rebar through here. I'm just going to hang that guy up there, that third one. There. So I come up with this idea because I saw this thing for free on one of the local Buy Nothing groups. It's a kids organizer. It's French, days of the week. And then my bench distance is a little bit too shallow. So down bottom here, I got my coffee filter, and I've got various footprints for various tents in their original packaging. Just a regular comfort hammock, a couple of bottles of fuel, matches, and different pieces of heavy-duty aluminum for stoves. And then I get into actual stoves. That is a Whisper Light. Oh no, that's my WinPro 2 that uses these fuel canisters inverted, so it works in the wintertime. This is my pot set, titanium pot set that has a canister in the middle. These are the two Whisper Lights, and there's a Firefly up there. I've got another Firefly somewhere. There's the white gas bottles, 2 bottles with pumps. So this thing ended up, and look, those fit. They're not loose up there. You got to kind of squeeze them in just slightly, so it will withstand a little bit of shaking, you see. This is a really good organizer. I'm impressed with it. And I saw it online, and I just thought, that looks like just about the right size for here. Anyway, so it's got this Velcro flap mechanism to fasten it to a closet hanger bar. And I was trying to figure out, what am I going to do with that? So I went over to Canadian Tire and started looking around at stuff, and they had pieces of rebar there. And I thought, oh, wait, crap, I've got rebar at home cut in 4-foot lengths. So I got back here and got a hole saw just the right size. You can see here the plugs that come out with the hole saw. Just the right size to put rebar through. Here's another plug. And I put the rebar through, and it was, since I did these on 2-foot centers, my rebar was cut to 4 feet, and it came to about halfway through the 2x4 on both sides. There's the middle one. And then it extends over here, and I've got all these carabiners on it. There's my water bladders. What do I got here? A bunch of tent pegs, a bunch of different bags of tent pegs there. As I mentioned, my backpack covers, a bunch of matches there, my UCO candles. And then we get into the nightmare. I'm slowly starting to get through all of this, and there's parts for candle lanterns. Look, you can see parts back there, so I got to tidy that up a little bit. Anyway, so I got some motivation. I'm making some progress on getting things organized out here. Then we go down. I mean, this is kind of nightmarish, but you know, that's all sleeping bags, all tents and teepees and stuff up there, the whole top rung. And that's all, like I said, sleeping bags. Down there is mostly sleeping bags and some sleeping pads and a few other tidbits as well. And there's all my life jackets for summertime paddling. Well, I still got 4 somewhere else that aren't represented there.